Amanda from Mama Jean Plans on Instagram. I'm here today on Crafty Planners Club YouTube channel to show you guys how to make your very own planner clips. We're going to do two different ones today. The first one we're going to do is the super easy one. Second one we're going to do is a laminated die cut planner clip, one just like the ones that I sell in my shop, Mama Jean Designs. I'll link that below so you can check it out. But let's get to it. First one, super simple. You're going to need pretty things like these sparkly stars or these resin charms or flowers, whatever you can find. I got these from Walmart. These were from Pretty in Pink Supply. Love them so much. I'll link them below. You need to go check out their shop because it's awesome. So all you need are these things and then either super glue or hot glue. I like to change it up a lot. I will say sometimes when I use super glue there tends to be a white residue, so I like hot glue a lot better. The only thing is a lot of times the hot glue won't hold as well, so sometimes I even like using both. But first one we're going to do, let's do this star one, and it is fabric on the back so it should hold really well. And I have my blue paper clip. These large paper clips, I'll go ahead and let you know, I got them at Five Below. I love that store, super cheap, lots of great stuff. And then these little ones I just got, these regular ones I got off of Amazon, but you can, find them at Staples or Walmart, wherever. I'm just going to put a little hot glue on the very tip and make sure your planner clip is this way so that you can still slip it onto the paper. You're just going to put the charm or the prettiness up here. I'm just going to slip it on top. Place it, well, no, that's not right. Here we go. Place it on the way I want it to face. I kind of wiped some of my glue off because I put it in the wrong place the first time. Then I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to go over the top. So it has a lot of hot glue on it. So not only holds on to the paper clip, but also the fabric. I'm going to lay that down to dry. And we're going to do the next one. Now this one's really cool. This one's one I found at Walmart. I also have yellow and black. So one side is a really big flower, the other side is well, not really, but a little bit smaller. But I'm hoping that when I put the paper clip in the middle, I can just fold it over and you have a double-sided planner clip. How awesome is that? So I'm going to put hot glue all over the top on both sides. Woo! Messy. And I'm going to fold it over and press it. Ooh. It's not bad, right? Not bad at all. So one thing you can do whenever you're doing these planner clips like this, for instance this, if you didn't want all this glue up in here to show, you could just take a piece of felt and either cut a little circle, or you can, if you really want to go all out, you can cut out the shape. But I would just cut a little circle of felt, and after I put the glue on, just stick the felt on it so you didn't see any of that. It's pretty dry. I'm going to keep it laid down there. Okay, the next one we're going to do, we're just going to use these resin charms real quick. And because they are so much smaller of a paper clip, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. That's why I always like stick it on the paper clip first, take your charm or whatever you want to put on there and put it on top. Now for this one, I'm going to make it double-sided. So I'm going to flip it over and glue on it. And stick this one and press them together. Hopefully I can get it straight. Alright, that's pretty cute. I will say this way they don't look as straight, but that's okay. I like it. I think that one's really pretty. And again, I got all of these on Pretty in Pink Supply, and they're not that expensive actually. I think these were 20, 40 cents, something like that. Let me make sure I got it the right way. A mermaid tail. Super cute. Okay. Let that dry. Then I have my star, my beautiful little star over here. One side is super glittery, the other side not so much, so that's the side I'm going to put glue on. Oh wait, I'm doing this wrong. This first. Someone is blowing up my phone. All right. Let that dry and cool down. Okay, now the next one I'm going to do, I have these little flowers. Now these are adhesive, so I actually don't need anything for these except a paper clip, which I need to get. Paper clips. So I'm gonna do purple. So you just peel it off. It's like a little sticker. And I'm just gonna put it on there the way I want it. And I'm gonna peel this one off and I'm gonna stick it to the back. Just like that. How cute is that? And so easy. Easy peasy. Click through to the next video to see how to make die cut planner clips.